In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the itch.io app step by step so you can get it installed quickly and start using it without any confusion. This is a super simple process, but I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish so you know exactly what to click. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to itch.io/app. This is the official page for downloading the itch.io desktop app, so make sure you're on the correct website before continuing. Once the page loads, look for the Start Download button and click it. Your browser will begin downloading the setup file to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer, so just wait until the download is complete. After the file has finished downloading, go to your Downloads folder or click the downloaded file from your browser. You should see the itch.io setup file there. Click the setup file to begin the installation process. If your computer asks for permission to run the file, choose Yes or Allow so the installer can open properly. Next, the installer will ask you where you want to install the app. Click Browse and select the install folder you want to use. You can choose the default location if you want, or pick a different folder if you prefer to keep your apps organized in a specific place. Once you've selected the install folder, click Install Now. The setup will begin installing the itch.io app on your computer. Just wait for the installation to finish, and once it's done, you'll have the app ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the itch.io app. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.